So Clark County as a whole, I mean, we keep going through and talking about this. I mean, your biggest entry point of people moving into our state in Clark County right now are from Oregon. That's been the number one driving factor that's come across the river. Your exploding areas, driving out across the countryside here this last weekend and looking at everything in Ridgefield, for out to Battleground, all the way up to Woodland, Kalama. You're just seeing an expansion basically that's going through and continue taking place. But this past year, there's not been a lot of new rooftops have popped up. I know I got a statistic from the Ridgefield School District. The entire course of the year, they had an added +6 students. So you were looking at just 2 years ago, they were averaging almost 6 increased students on a weekly basis. So I don't know necessarily that means the growth isn't happening or things are happening, but there's a sign there that basically shows there's been a slowdown of new rooftops popping up. So that's a key factor to go through and working on that expansion. So you're seeing Camas, those areas out there continue to go through and explode, and then definitely, like I said, up the I-5 corridor, we've seen a lot of transactions around Kalama, let me say that properly right there. And I think that will continue going forth, I'm moving forward. And then a lot of people see opportunity to go all the way up to Longview. Longview, Kelso area, you're seeing houses, 150, even $200,000 or less than what that same house would cost in the Vancouver metro area. So those are key factors to go forth and do it. But I think people will continue moving across the river from those three counties for safety reasons, for tax purposes, all sorts of things that will continue going through and happening. I don't think it's going to stop. Clark County is going to continue to explode in each and every area from Battleground to Ridgefield. Like I said, these will just keep going on and on. So definitely reach out to us. We love VA. That's our passion to go through and do, from VA purchases, 100% cash out refinance, or 90% consolidation loans to pay off other debts. I know rates are higher right now, but if you're going through and you're paying a lot of money on car loans, on credit cards, everything else, if you consolidate everything, it makes complete sense. And then in the near future, we'll be sitting there doing the streamlines as rates start coming down on VA. So keeping everything entrenched in that VA system, I think, is key. And we're here to help you at Creekside Mortgage 80 point anytime. So call the Greenwell team, and we'd love to go through and help you. Thank you.